So here's MusicX app, best music streaming. So this is a new app which is just alternative to Music app. So Music app was basically deleted. Yeah, like something happened. Probably YouTube wasn't that happy. Um, yeah, that Music app is allowed in the iOS App Store. That's why it was deleted. And now, yeah, you just see this. Browse, search, and listen unlimited free music to your iPhone, iPod, iPad, and support to iPhone 11. Yeah, that's just what you have here. And key features: full iPhone X and 11 so support. So older phones support here. This current search directly with different categories. Search for artist, DJ, song, remix, or cover. Easily find your watch history, autoplay, next music, repeat and shuffle songs. So yeah, here it is. You can just go into this app and you can just see the top charts. This app is really minimalistic app. It's very kind of minimalistic. So that's the idea. So for example, if you just go, you can just find some different categories of music. And then there are some ads which you can remove, but basically here is playlist. You can just go and create new playlists super easily. Then you have some like house music, for example, you just add track and then you just go and add it just super easy. And then it appears in your playlist and then you can just go and remove it or shuffle it. So that's what it is. So, some people just really like this minimalist design in the app. They don't like all this like YouTube music. It's just too much. Of course, YouTube Music owns the whole library of all the tracks, but their design is a bit too much to that. So that's just what it is. And then you have top charts, you have search, you have favorites, you have playlists, and then that's it. So super easy to use app, and as you can see, a lot of people love it. So it's in top charts, in top 15 charts right now in MusicX. That's just what it is. But that's what you have. Yep, there you have it. And then there are some other alternatives to music apps. There is MusicX Pro, which is a bit more advanced, but it has more of these menus. But not many people like it because it still becomes quite complicated. All of these menus and all of these features. So it has a bit lower rating. But yeah, here it is. You can just find some other apps as some music alternatives. So give it a try.